2000 Jeep Wrangler Sahara here at Unique Specialty and Classics. All the tops with this one. Hard top on it. Now, as you can see, also a white vinyl soft top that's going to go with it. And a tan or camel colored bimini top. All right. 95,798 original miles. Well maintained. Of course, that tried and true, reliable 4-liter inline 6 underneath the hood. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Bug shield has been installed, as you can see. There's a few little chips in the paint. I mean, it's 95,000 miles it's been driven, but overall, paint shows well on this one. Nice condition. Check out all the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this Jeep from every angle. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Those still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on BF Goodrich all-terrain TAs. Correct Jeep alloy wheels. Tech did note the tires as far as tread depth, starting it down there. They will need attention in the future sometime. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Automatic transmission with overdrive, bucket seats up front, sound bar. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, so we do have a couple used seat covers I will put back in there. Took those off so you can see the condition of the seats. A couple brackets you're going to need for when the soft top would go on. Bimini top, shade, whichever you'd like to call it, and a carrying bag with the white vinyl soft top. That will also go with it. And again, any questions, feel free to call, consult with a sales associate, 507-386-1726. Rear mounted spare, receiver hitch in the rear. If you like these Jeeps, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These typically don't last that long. Great vehicles all year round, especially that hard top. And as you can see, driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches either. Let's take a look at this interior. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Fabric seats, which is very nice with having the removable tops. Mentioned sound bar. So interior, nice condition, also really free of any rips, tears, or holes in the seats. Let's see, let's go ahead and hop in here so we can fire this up, check out the exact miles. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Cages all work. There's your exact miles, 95,798, so a lot of miles to give on this, especially that 4-liter. Remember, AC's blowing cold, dash looks good. Tech did note rear wiper was in did not play around with radio on this one.
How did it go away? Yeah, clogs don't.
Working order. Sounds as it should. Sounds good. A couple other notes from the technician. Brakes 70% in the front, 60% in the rear, all good there. And complete exhaust system with catalytic converters intact. 4x4 transfer case working perfectly. Cruise works, front and rear differentials, the transfer case, as well as the rear diffs and transfer case, excuse me. All the fluids full, good shape. So this one's ready to go. Turn the key and go. Let me pause it a second. I want to get this hood open so you can check out that engine bay. And then, like I said, we'll finish up this walk around video. Jason can take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy also. There it is. That 4-liter inline 6. Know anything about Jeep motors? That's a good one to have. Nice and torquey and reliable. No surprises on this one. 2000 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Soft top, hard top, bimini top. 95,798 per miles. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2000 Jeep Wrangler Sahara in white. This comes with a hard top and a soft top. This is an automatic right here on the floor. Easy to shift, easy to drive. The AC's blowing cold. Our turn signal indicators are working. The wipers also work on this Jeep. Stereo sounds good. Tachometer and speedometer also working as they should. The oil pressure showing 50 to 60 psi as we cruise down the road. The battery charging at 14 volts, and the fuel gauge is showing a little over 3/4 of a tank. The temperature right around 195, right where you usually like to see it in this era of vehicle. Bucket seats in cloth. Very comfortable. We got a bug deflector right up on the front, contrasting against that white paint. Black and white accents all around. Just the right height for great visibility. Jeep known for its off-road capabilities. Brakes nice and smooth. Nice, smooth yet firm shifts from the automatic transmission. Doesn't lean very much, just enough in the corners. Very comfortable, very easy to drive. 2000 Jeep Wrangler. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.